So when creating a KaHoot survey, the first thing you're going to want to do is open your web browser. In this case, I'm using Firefox. In the address bar at the top, you just want to highlight it and type in kahoot.com. So if you don't already have an account on KaHoot, you're going to want to click the sign up button and create an account. But since I have one, I'm going to go to login. And my username and password are already saved on my computer, so it just took me straight to my page. There's lots of things to do on Kahoot, but today we are making a survey. And so to start making that, you're going to go to Create up here. You're going to scroll down to where you see the 4 purple bubbles: quiz, jumble, discussion, and survey. And survey is what we will be doing today. So you're going to want to make a title. I'm just going to make one really quick to show you. We're going to take a survey of our kids' favorite apples. The description is what your kids are going to see, so I'm just going to type select your favorite apple. We will use the results in class. So over here you can use this Getty Images library, but that's only for the people that pay for Kahoot. If you just want to upload an image of like an apple, for example, for this example, you would just click upload your image and it goes to your files. I've already downloaded a picture of an apple, so I'm just going to type in apple. Double click on it and it pops up there. You want to make sure it's visible to everyone if that's what you want. Select your language and your audience, which will be school. I don't have any credits to source, and I don't want a video, so I click this button up here at the top right that says OK, go. So now you're going to click the Add Question button, and yours isn't really a question, it's a survey, so I'm just going to type select your favorite type of apple. You can select a time limit. I'm going to keep it at 20. Do red delicious. Oh. Granny Smith. Let's do honey crisp. Get a little wild. And golden delicious. So I'm going to add a different image here of an apple core. And click next. Here is where you could add another survey question, but since for this video's purpose I just did one for that survey, but here you could add more questions that you wanted to survey your kids on. So I'm going to click save at the top right. And before I tell Kahoot that I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and preview it so I can make sure it looks how I want it to. And I'm going to click the classic mode. And Kahoot will provide you with a code or a game pin that you type in over here on your little cell phone, and mine is 5261138, and I'm going to enter that as if I was a kid and just put in my initials for my nickname and click start. So it gives them time to get ready, and it tells them to select their favorite apple. And I'm going to, over here on my little cell phone, click Honey Crisp. And the time's going to stop because there's only one person signed up. I'm going to click in here. Before I click, you can see your results. So if you have 20 kids, all of their results will be right here with the bars that show how much and what relates to what. So like the blue and the diamond is the Honey Crisp, and the green and the square is the Golden Delicious. So let's click next. And let's just exit out of that because that was just the trial run. And let's click I'm done up here in the top right. And here it is right here. It shows in my KaHoots. These are other that I have already made, but this is our new one. And if you want to share it, you can click that share button and send the link to your kids or to their parents to be able to play it at home or take the survey at home.